As we come on the air live at 10 o'clock, Connor Nelson Perry, the Missoula man charged with running multiple victims off the roadway and causing crashes and hit and runs last May around Missoula and Evaro Hill, was set to be sentenced in a Missoula courtroom Friday afternoon. But the judge decided to hold off after listening to victim impact statements.
This time, though, the court is going to reject the plea agreement. I advise the defendant that the court is not bound by the plea agreement, and I'm giving the defendant an opportunity to withdraw his plea.
It was a shocking turn of events. Perry's global plea agreement that resolves both of his open cases at once called for a total of 10 years, with 5 of those years suspended, meaning he would have only served 5 years behind bars.
These particular crimes, again, given the violent and random nature of it, require incarceration to restore the public's sense of safety and security.
Perry pleaded guilty to the charges against him in March. Criminal endangerment to felony, leaving the scene of an accident resulting in injury or death, a misdemeanor. Negligent vehicular assault to felony, and failure to stop and remain at the scene of an accident, a felony. During Friday's hearing, Perry was transported from the Missoula County Detention Facility to appear in person for the hearing. He was shackled at the ankles and wrists and wore an orange jumpsuit. In his other case, he's charged with criminal mischief, a felony, and misdemeanor assault. One victim from the roadway incident, Alyssa Keith, made a victim impact statement.
I spent the last year in fight or flight. And unfortunately, we don't have a lot of time here today, but if we did, I could begin to tell you about my nightmares, how much sleep I've been robbed of, how many mornings I've woken up fueled by adrenaline, and how many different ways Connor has haunted me, even in my dreams.
Another victim, Angela Agee's husband, Dan, made a very passionate statement as well.
You should be in prison for 30 years or plus for what you did to my wife. I hope that you feel this in every way known to man.
The judge is giving Perry and his attorney, as well as the defense and prosecution, time to discuss how they want to go forward in this case. A hearing is set for July 3rd. I will attend the hearing and provide updates on air and online.